Today's point of the video is I would like to connect my Android phone to this bike for the purpose that I can listen to Spotify. Hi guys, MartinTheVlogger here and welcome to new episodes about this Canam Spyder RT 2025 model. It's my new bike and in these episodes we do upgrade it, we do many tests, we do put many modifications, we talk about various options. Today's video, I'm not super happy about it. We will talk about the bloody info system. You know what? Come here. So maybe you know that on 2024 and of course 2025 models, BRP has introduced this amazing big ass touchscreen display. Well, it's 50-50. Either you like touchscreen displays on cars or in cars and on bikes. I'm the other wave. I don't like touchscreen displays, but it's just a matter of preference. That's not the point of today's video. The point of today's video is because BRP has introduced a whole new system. It's Apple CarPlay, I believe meshed with BRP Connect, whatever. We will find out because I have no idea. And today's point of the video is I would like to connect my Android phone to this bike for the purpose that I can listen to Spotify. That's the only way I will be using this bike, because SatNav I use differently. I use it on my phone, or I will be thinking about external device. But this thing I will use only for listening the music. So how intuitive it is, how easy it is, you will find out in today's video. Now enough of this bullshit. Let's get started. Before we'll start, let me go there to try to connect and simulate how it is and how intuitive and, let's say, friendly it is to run the same thing on the previous generation. By the way, Pali is here, or his ass. Hi Pali, what you doing?
I was changing the fuel filter on this machine, so
having fun, right?
Some cleanup, and yeah, putting it all back, yeah.
Yeah, so he was having fun. Anyway, let me put you here. This bike is called Kraken. It's one of our, I think, 12 bikes that we have in a tour and rental agency, toursontree.com. It's 2022 RT model, and let's do the thing. Turning on. The only thing I really don't like about all of these with the new displays with radios, the Spyders, is that it takes some time to load the system so I can play the music. It takes like 2 minutes, something like that. It's quite annoying. I go to the menu, music, Bluetooth audio. Do you want to pair? Yes, I would like to pair it. Now, add phone and scan here. It's here. Connect. We will need to confirm. It's the pass key. Yeah, it's always the same pass key, not need to even check. Pairing. Click pair. It's here. Now, because I cannot play Spotify, I will play Epidemic Sound, just a library of musics or songs. How beautiful. Basically, Kiss way. Keep it simple, stupid. You connect in 3 minutes, you can play Spotify. Amazing also for a tour and rental agency because bam, 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 whatever phone, we can connect and we can play Spotify. Now, that's my prime interest. Does it work the same way on a new Canam Spyder or Canyon models? Let's find out. Do I have to tell you that I have never done this. I have never played with connecting to the new system. I have not watched the videos. I don't have time. I have not read the manual. So yeah, let's do it. Let's see what's gonna happen. Beautiful animation. I'm pretty sure I'll be tired of it after a couple of rides. Maybe I can turn that off. Okay, how to... Backspace. No. Okay, I understand. There you go. Warning, of course. More bullshit. Okay, I understand. Or, oh, maybe it does. I need to... yeah. Connect device. Yes, that's what we want to do. So, connect device. There you go. We want to connect phone. Add new device. So far, so good. We will hit search on a Bluetooth. Martin, there we go. Connection in process, same number. Not connected. Connected, not connected. Pay from phone. No, not connected. Make sure your device is turned on. It's on. Bloody hell, it's on as never before. Not connected. Connect. Connecting. Connected! Allow. If you see something on my phone that you can steal and abuse and go shopping or whatever, just do me a favor, don't do that, please. All right, now, I would like to go to... I would like to go to audio. Yes. No. Oh, play music. I cannot do Spotify as before, but let's do Epidemic Sound. Let's do this. Honestly, I'm shocked. Always when I do videos, like it's always, I do kind of a preparation. And today my mode will be, it's gonna be bad. Because I have heard stories that you cannot really connect the phone, but it's most probably real, and you need a headset in order to connect the phone, which is another stupidity, but I don't want to get there. Simple thing, me jumping on the bike, using my phone as a sat nav, playing music, can be done within a couple of seconds. And on this bombshell, guys, this is it. That was my biggest thing, what I wanted to achieve. If I can use this bike the same way that I'm used, if I can use this bike even in tour and rental business in the future when we will be changing bikes, it's absolutely intuitive. And first time that I'm really playing with the touchscreen display, it's big ass, it's huge. It's even blind person can see. It looks beautiful. Actually, I don't know what to say. So, very short video today. Stay tuned because we will do some upgrades in the next video. But this one was absolutely amazing. Through the winter season, definitely I will try to play around BRP Connect to see, highly hypothetically, if I can use, because I'm not using Google Maps for the tours. I'm not using not even a Garmin, because I have special maps with MartinTheVlogger secret roads, and I need that. So I don't know if I can mirror that here, but definitely we'll be playing in the winter season with that. Now today, I have to say, well done BRP. Quite okay for me. Guys, thank you very much for watching. In case you like these episodes, even today it was a very short one, hit like, subscribe, have the notifications on. And remember, enjoy winter season and always have fun.